Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a quick and healthy breakfast. Heat a tablespoon of oil, add some mustard seeds. These are green chillies and ginger which I have chopped fine. Also sprinkle a little bit of hing. Now add 2 cups of water to this. I am adding 1/4 cup of grated coconut to this water when it is boiling itself. Add salt and allow it to come to a boil. This is Idli Rava. Basically it is rice which has been broken down to a very fine suji or semolina consistency. When the water starts boiling, slowly sprinkle this idli rava and stir it continuously so that it does not form any lumps. Mix it all together till it comes together as one mass. See, for 1 cup of idli rava I have used 2 cups of water. Now this has all absorbed the water and come together, leaving the sides. Now switch this off, transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool. Here I kept some water for boiling in my idli steamer. Now grease your idli plates with some oil. Next, this has cooled down now. Take out large lemon sized portions like this and flatten it out in your palm like an idli shape. Then keep it in your idli mold. Likewise make with the rest of this dough also. Now we have shaped them all out. We will keep these idlis for steaming for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. So while we are waiting for the idlis to get done, let's make a simple chutney to go with it. Half a cup of grated coconut, and here I have 3 green chillies. 1 red chilli I have just soaked in water, adding to that, and about 2 tablespoons of this roasted gram or putani dal. I have taken 3 ripe red tomatoes, and some salt to taste. We will grind this all into a chutney. Now for the chutney, heat a tablespoon of oil. Now heat some mustard seeds, 1 dry red chilli. We will add some hing to this. Next we will add in this ground chutney. And just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally add some curry leaves on top, and your chutney to go with this instant idli rava idli is ready. Our tomato chutney is ground and ready. Our steaming hot idlis are also ready. You can call them idli or kodakatai, whichever way you want, and you can easily see, just easily remove it from this. So we are ready to serve out our healthy breakfast of instant idlis using this idli rava without any soaking or grinding. Try out this lovely taste and also this chutney. Let me show you how soft it is. See, soft, healthy and tasty too. It's a steamed food, so good for all ages. This quick and healthy recipe can be served as a breakfast, as a tea time snack, or even for dinner. Definitely try out this simple and easy recipe without any grinding or soaking or fermentation, and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.